Do you need to replace the air filter on your LG Think refrigerator? Here's how to do it. You may see this light flashing. That means it's time to replace the air filter. You might also want to do this every 6 months. Toward the back of your refrigerator, near the top, you're going to see this filter. All you do is turn it counterclockwise, and that will come off. And here is the filter. I'm going to remove that. It's kind of hard for me to do that with just one hand, but I'm just going to pull that out. I might have to do it off camera. There we go. And the whole unit comes out. It's coming out in pieces, but that's okay because the new one will have all of these pieces. Notice it does say front on there. So that means when you're reinserting it, you will know which direction to put the new filter on. Here are the new filters. I got a package of 3. I'll link these down below on where you can get those from Amazon. They came when I ordered the water filters. Here's how we put it back. So we'll basically just reverse the process. We're going to slide that in, snap it in place, and now we'll replace this cover. If you look in the corner of the cover, it actually shows a clockwise arrow that says close. So that's what we're going to do, is replace this on here and then snap it by turning it clockwise. The flashing lights should turn off by themselves, but if not, you can press and hold that for 3 seconds. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you here next time on the Average Me channel.